This video is related to an earlier video which is entitled The Hijacking of Inventory Optimization in Multi-Echelon Terms. And what that video describes is how many vendors have taken these terms and basically applied them to software that's primarily just inventory management in terms of its capability. And I wanted to go through and basically just provide some examples in terms of how the term is used in a public way that is not accurate. And I thought the best way to do this was to go to Google and do a screen cam that describes basically what you'll find if you go through and do the same thing. So what I've done is I've typed in inventory optimization into Google, and I'll select search. And this will bring up both the holistic results on the left and the paid results on the right. And the holistic results are pretty good. There are some things that are not accurate, however. These ones so far are accurate. For instance, there's Smart Ops, also Manhattan and Associates, IBM also has an inventory optimization product. I did find one that was not accurate, and that is this company, which is called Pitch, and does integration with QuickBooks. And if you go and you select their details, you'll find that they have a description which is not accurate. So they describe inventory optimization is all about having just the right amount. Well, that's not the definition of inventory optimization. So what they've done is they've taken inventory management and they have basically transmuted it into inventory optimization. And this type of company is not going to be capable of providing inventory optimization. I mean, it's a complex functionality, requires a lot of skill and a lot of mathematics, and this is just from doing an investigation into them, they're just a company that integrates with Quicken. So if we go out and to the main page search area, which is over here to the right, or this is actually advertising, we can see a number of companies that are sponsored links, and we can go through and take a look at each of them and see do these actually meet the criteria of being inventory optimization. And every time I go through and do this, it seems like different companies come up, and I've already opened a few of them, but I've just opened a couple of more. So, and of course there's also paid results up here, and we can go through and open these as well. So the first one is a service that is provided to dealers which is related to inventory management. This is not inventory optimization, so this is a misuse of the term. This is a company which I'm actually a big fan of. They're called DemandWorks, and they make a product called Smoothie that I have worked with and used as a prototype environment. Very good product, does DRP and MRP, does not do inventory optimization, however. This was directly recovered from a previous search on inventory optimization as a paid result. This is a company that, or a website that just provides links to inventory optimization vendors, which is perfectly fine. This company I have never heard of before. However, if you go through their site and you look at the descriptions of what they offer, they do seem to have actual inventory optimization. So I can't vouch for the product. I've never seen it. I've never heard of them, but at least their terminology is correct, and they're not commingling different terms such as inventory management and inventory optimization. This company is actually another company I'm a fan of. They make software that is sort of mini MRP, and they have a strange name, Fishbowl, but the product's quite good, and I recommend it to small companies, but they do not do inventory optimization. This is a firm that seems to do some type of consulting and basically will come in and analyze your inventory, not inventory optimization, so not the right use of the term. This company is in the same category. They talk a lot on their website about reducing inventory and increasing productivity. They're firmly in the inventory management space, and they are also not using the term inventory optimization correctly. Epicor is enterprise resource planning. You know, they are basically offering things like, you know, warehouse management, supplier relationship management. They're not in the inventory optimization space, yet they advertise underneath that term. This is a solver that connects to Excel. You know, it can do basically, you know, mixed integer and integer linear programming. It is a pretty standard cost-based optimizer from everything that I could read, which is not the same thing as inventory optimization. Inventory optimization is a distinct expression of broader cost-based optimization, and they're different. So this would not help you if you were trying to do inventory optimization buying this product. This is one that's really out there. This is Mastering Your Master Data, and it offers you a white paper you can download for master data governance on ERP projects. This is about as far away from inventory optimization as you could possibly imagine. I mean, the connection between this and inventory optimization is absolutely reed thin, so a misuse of the term. Just Enough is a sort of very flexible, you know, online tool that follows a SaaS model, and you know, has good things, I think, to recommend it, but it is not doing inventory optimization. And this final company, you know, is also in the inventory management space. They are using the term inventory optimization in the same way that some of the other companies are that we have described previously. So that is a brief review of the companies that are advertising on Google, and also one that is in the generic or the non-paid search results or holistic search results. And I think what I've shown is that there are quite a number of companies that are using the term, but when you go to their website and if you've worked with their products, they don't actually have that functionality. And the other problem, of course, is that the term is used in a very managerial sense in order to describe an improvement in something, which it is not that. It's something specific, it means something, and it makes a lot more sense if people basically use the correct terminology for what they're describing and don't try to hijack a term that might offer some more glitter to what you're doing, but is not actually an accurate depiction of what you're doing. So if you're interested in seeing the other video, you can simply go and search on any of the major video sites like Vimeo or YouTube, or even go to the SCM Focus website and look up hijacking and inventory optimization and multi-echelon, and you should be taken directly to that video.